Hello, welcome to the MMM Decentralized Application Global Test Network, and I want to make tutorial video how to guide you to log into system. Okay, in this page mmmdap.com, click login to MMM. Or you can type in your browser mmmdap.io. No registration is required for the MMM.system system. You only need to bin the inviter when purchasing Mapro token for the first time. Okay, click buy Mapro token, then enter the amount, example $50. Enter your name, it can be a network name. Enter the TRC20 address or ID of your inviter. Okay, by now the system will automatically bring up your surrounding wallet. Okay, click accept. The following form appears. Congratulations, welcome to MMM.app. The order will match for the first time. The order you purchase Mapro token and you must to pay. Click the button on the left side of the order. Click Go Pay. After clicking Go Pay, the smart contract will transfer the wallet and automatically transfer the amount of the order you purchased from your wallet balance. Then click Accept. Okay, success. Click Close. After the payment is completed, click I have paid. Then again, click Accept. Success. Okay, click refresh. Congratulations on completing your purchase of Mapro token. After the order is completed, it will be hidden automatically. Click the display button below to display the completed order. Okay, click show. You can see there your purchase of Mapro token completed. That's all about login, registration, and how to buy Mapro token. Thank you for watching. You can visit the official MMM Telegram. Thank you for watching. See you and bye.